You know, there was another video that it's a bit shocking. Is a woman got eaten alive by a pig, or pigs, I think. Pigs. And seeing the comment on there, it's just really disgusting. Very disgusting. Everybody was laughing about it. And I was like, yo, seriously? You are laughing of a woman who's getting eaten alive by pigs. And seeing the comments on there, it was just really disgusting. And I bet half of them are freaking vegetarians, trolls, or what do they call it these days, keyboard warriors or whatever. And I'm just like, how can you laugh at somebody that guy got eaten alive by pigs? And I think the woman was feeding the pigs, and they were like laughing about it. I'm thinking to myself, it's not funny. It's not funny at all. Especially that someone that died and got eaten alive. And also joking about it as well. It's like, what's going on with these people these days? If it was one of your family members that got eaten alive, should I make a joke about it? Should I try and make a joke about it so I can get likes? No. I feel sorry for the farmer, but to say horrible things and joke about it, something not to be joked about. Anyway, my name is Dragonrider. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Later.
You've been acting like a stranger, said you see me later, but you never call back. I've been getting faded, running out of patience, but I know it's alright. I'll just keep on waiting till you come